Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to remove the Bing search from Google Chrome. And this is how to do it on a PC or laptop. And if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do is open up our Google Chrome browser, and you need to come across and click the three dots up here in the top right hand corner, and then come down to settings and give that a click. And then from here what you want to do is just scroll down the page until you get to search engine. And what's going to happen is the first option here, which says search engine used in the address bar, this will be saying Bing. So what you need to do is click the drop down box and just change that to Google. And then if you click the option underneath which says manage search engines, and what you need to do is everywhere it says Bing on here, you need to click the three dots. So like here for example, just click the three dots next to it and then click on to remove from list. And there is a section down here which you'll need to go through and check as well. And that will change your Bing back to Chrome, to Google for your search. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.